Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin by asking you a question. Are you content with being average? Does mediocrity satisfy the burning desire that resides deep within your soul? If the answer is no, then today, this very moment is your opportunity to turn things around. Success does not come knocking on the doors of those who wait. It's earned by those who are willing to step forward and claim it. Success, wealth, fortune are not reserved for a select few. They're available to all, but only those who understand the principles of achievement and apply them with diligence will ever grasp them. First, let's talk about responsibility. It's easy to blame circumstances, the economy, or even other people for where we are in life. But here's the truth. Your life is the sum total of the decisions you've made up until now. Harsh? Maybe. Empowering? Absolutely. When you take full responsibility for where you are, you gain the power to change where you're going. The moment you decide that you and only you are in charge of your future, everything changes. Now let's discuss discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's not something you're born with. It's a skill you cultivate. Discipline means doing what you ought to do when you ought to do it, whether you feel like it or not. It's the decision to act when excuses seem more appealing. Small disciplines repeated with consistency every day lead to great achievements over time. And remember this, the pain of discipline weighs ounces, but the pain of regret weighs tons. Next, we must address the importance of learning. Formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. The world is full of resources, books, mentors, and opportunities to learn. Yet so many people stop growing the moment they leave school. Don't let that be you. Invest in your mind. Read, listen, observe, and ask questions. The more you learn, the more you earn, not just in financial terms, but in every area of life. Let's move on to value. Your income is determined by the value you bring to the marketplace. If you want more, you have to become more. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Become the kind of person who attracts success by the qualities you develop. Skills, character, and attitude, these are your tools. Sharpen them daily and you'll find that opportunities begin to seek you out. Now, let me talk about action. Dreams without action are merely wishes. Wishing won't make it so. The only way to move forward is to take action, consistent, deliberate, and purposeful action. Don't wait for conditions to be perfect. If you wait until you feel 100% ready, you'll be waiting for the rest of your life. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Action breeds confidence and momentum. And momentum is a powerful force that can propel you toward your goals. Another critical factor is association. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher. Seek out mentors, friends, and colleagues who inspire and challenge you. Distance yourself from those who drag you down, those who belittle your ambitions. Be kind, but be selective. Your environment shapes your mindset, and your mindset shapes your future. Let's talk about persistence. The path to fortune is not a straight line. It's a winding road filled with obstacles, detours, and setbacks. But here's the thing, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Never let failure define you. Learn from it, adjust your course, and keep moving forward. Persistence means showing up every day, doing the work, and refusing to quit. It's the willingness to endure discomfort in pursuit of something greater. Now, let's consider gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. It's easy to focus on what's missing or what's wrong, but true wealth begins with the ability to see and acknowledge the abundance that already exists. Gratitude shifts your perspective. It opens your eyes to opportunities and creates a mindset of positivity and possibility. Next, we must address vision. Without a clear vision, you'll drift aimlessly. Fortune favors those who know where they're going. Take the time to define your goals, write them down, visualize them with vivid detail. A clear vision gives you purpose, direction, and the motivation to keep going when the going gets tough. Don't just think about what you want, think about why you want it. Your why is the fuel that will drive you forward. Finally, let's talk about character. Fortune is not just about material wealth, it's about the person you become in the process. Integrity, honesty, kindness. These are the traits that truly define success. Character is what you do when no one is watching. It's the foundation upon which lasting success is built. Without it, any fortune you achieve will be fleeting. But with it, your success will stand the test of time. So here we are. 10 principles, 10 steps that can take you from average to fortune. The journey will not be easy, but it will be worth it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take this moment and make it perfect. Remember, you don't need to beg for attention. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself and success will follow. Your life can change, but only if you decide to change it. The power is in your hands. Use it.